Wow, look here guys. Oh, many Pixar cars. Hello friends, welcome back to my video, and today we are looking for Disney Pixar cars. Oh, look here guys. Wow, special yellow color. Karen cars. Wow, and Miss Fritter. Fritter school bus. The and cold lighting McQueen. Wow, rustic. Luigi cars. Wow, Luigi cars. Wow, look friends. Racing cars purple color. Wow, yeah, rustic lighting McQueen. Wow, it's so cool. Here, fabulous Hudson Hornet. Wow, fabulous cars. Look friends. Wow. Fabulous truck. Fabulous Hudson Hornet. Wow, look here guys. Apple cars. Wow, apple cars with color. Yeah, tank coat pink color. So cool. And tractor. Wow, tractor in here. So cool. Smoky's automotive service. Yeah, Moppy truck. Wow, look friends. Feel more. Wow, plankton. Here, Jackson Storm. Okay friends, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Okay, and let's go next. Guys. Wow, Raymond cars blue color. Wow, here Matter. And Sally Carrera. Wow, so cool man. And Mac truck. Mac truck in here. Here, Sheriff Police. Wow. Here, Mermaid Man. Flow cars. Wow. Raymond cars purple color. Here, sharks. Wow, lion. Chicken animals. Here, dinoco the king. Wow, look at that. Here, McQueen. And hicks. Wow, Guido. Guido man. Yeah, Smokies. Smokies car. Wow, and Rayo McQueen. Very nice. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Bye bye.